Today we're gonna make some liquid nitrogen. Today we're gonna make some liquid nitrogen ice cream. I've never tried making it, nor have I attempted. But today I'm with my friends Kim, Vance, Daniel, and Monmon, and we will try to make it. So we're gonna need 1 cup of whipping cream, 1 cup of fresh milk. What else do we need, Kim?
1/2 cup of sugar.
1/2 cup of sugar. Some
Vanilla extract.
That's not focusing. Vanilla extract. Lance, you got chonky. Show your belly.
No.
It's not chunky, it's a dilf.
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 You know what the dilf is, Lance?
Dilf.
I don't know what you're talking about, Jay.
What's that? I don't know.
I don't know also. I don't know what you're talking
Hold on, what does dilf mean?
Dilf. That I like to fuck.
That's what you call husband material right there.
Yeah, give me that. Husband material.
Yeah, so we forgot to add the vanilla, so we're adding it now. Okay, so we mixed like all the ingredients, which is really basic. It's just sugar, fresh milk, vanilla extract, and whipping cream. So after that, we're just gonna add the liquid nitrogen, and yeah, later on we'll make another batch and add some Starbucks chocolate drink. So we got the liquid nitrogen here. So the technique is you're supposed to like keep mixing it, or what will happen? It's gonna like
Turn into ice.
it's gonna turn into ice. Yeah. So we have to keep mixing it.
Like clump up or something.
So yeah. Damn. Science, bitch.
Wow.
Are you getting it all around?
Yes.
You didn't mix it well. My god, I thought you were a good mixer. What? What?
Oh, liquid nitrogen burn.
That's okay.
So we think this is the final product.
We could
So,
make it harder. Never mind, just can't.
Yeah, we're just gonna taste it.
I think it's gonna be really good.
Just anak sa bowl. Why?
So this is it. It's really good.
You need bowls good?
Mm.
Never tried.
Oh.
One lower one. This word.
Ah, ang big din ha. Magabok gani na. Pakyan.
Higher.
Oh, that's cool, man. So we've made the ice cream and we don't know what we're doing. We're just playing with liquid nitrogen right now.
Stop naman ang chips. Just put the chips on.
Put it in.
So we're putting chips and liquid nitrogen.
Oh my
That's so
God.
gamay.
Wait lang, good.
Liquid nitrogen with chips.
Oh. Sakto na.
lagi na.
Oh, yeah. Really got one. Cool.
Di ba ka mapasok?
Oh,
You can
yeah.
just touch it dali.
Mapasok kas kabugnaw?
Yeah.
Yo,
If you hold it too long.
Oh my god.
Go, go, go.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, it's burn here.
Is it tasting different?
It's cold. Really cold.
Huh?
Go! Put the whole chip in!
You put the whole thing in.
Okay, it's like the bugnaw the...
Wala po.
But I'm like showing the
I'm gonna video it.
Oh! so, bugnaw mo!
I haven't eaten
Is it kita nice? Like
Yeah,
ice.
yeah. Kita niyo siya.
Look, it's like frozen.
Don't touch the liquid.
I'm not touching the liquid, I'm touching the chip.
Is it super cold?
Yes!
So this is a
What do you
chip.
think I said?
That's liquid nitrogen at the bottom. The water like thing, you see it? Oh.
You didn't after my face.
Go blow again, blow again. Oh, that's cool. So we made the first batch and now we are going to make batch number 2. So this is the chocolate one. What we did here is we just replaced the Nestle fresh milk with the Starbucks signature chocolate milk drink. Okay, the camera died, so now we have to mix it again. Practice, yeah, technique. It's all about technique, guys. Go, Lance. Is it supposed to be fast?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like
or
this?
it will clump up.
Oh, whoa. Oh. We'll zoom in, zoom in.
How do you zoom?
I mean just go near.
Oh.
It's not as good as it looks. I mean, it doesn't look
I
so
think you play
good.
so much.
That's why it's gone. See, it's looking good now. It looks like it's like, what does this look like?
Ice
Looks
cream.
like cream.
Yeah,
Ice
see?
cream.
See, it's looking good now, guys.
Well,
Okay, so I'm gonna taste it now.
it's not so good.
Yeah, but not good.
It's not as good.
The vanilla is way better.
Really?
Yeah.
It's like...
It just tastes like frozen chocolate milk.
The vanilla is better for a diet. Less
So good though.
Yeah.
I
but
still
the
eat
vanilla
it.
is way better.
Still eat it.
You are still eating it.
I'm still eating it, yeah.
Frozen.
Who's that?
No, it's blocking. Okay, so 1/4 cup.
1/2!
So one half.
So one half.
One half.
One half.
One half.
Okay, so
Nihila ka? Are you crying?
your dad's good.
Yeah, I think it'd be...
It's okay.
It's like when you're playing Helldivers, man. You just stick it. This is angle good. Hey guys, so today we're gonna make some. Stop looking at me.